dermatitis. Exposure to chemical substances which have irritating properties can directly damage the skin at the place of contact and cause irritating contact dermatitis. Some of the common chemical agents include acids, alkalis, organic solvents, and detergents. The effect of this on the skin depends not only on the chemical properties but also on the intensity of contact as well as the concentration of the chemical as well. Wet work is the leading cause of irritant contact dermatitis. The term wet work refers to occupational activities which include the hands to be in contact with water or with aqueous solutions which can be irritating, the sustained wear of protective glasses that makes the hand moist from perspiration. Such soakings disrupt the natural barrier in the skin and promote the entry of sensitizing agents, thus predisposing the skin to the development of skin allergies as well. Symptoms of irritant contact dermatitis include dryness, burning red rashes, swelling, necrosis, and peeling in most severe cases. Constant chronic repeated exposures trigger the development of full-fledged eczema, itching, cracking, crusting, flaking, oozing, or even bleeding that may be present alongside with the signs mentioned earlier. Allergic contact dermatitis. It is a form of skin inflammation that can be acquired only after contact with the sensitizing chemical substance. In allergic contact dermatitis, the sensitization process can take weeks, months, or even years, and there is no allergic reaction to be seen on the skin during that period. The hypersensitivity to the given chemical will practically last for life, although avoiding further contact with the chemical agent may lower the level of reaction. This allergy is a late onset cell-mediated immune response to the chemical substance, which explains why its symptoms have a latency period of days. Common allergens include nickel, which is used in jewelry, buckles, and many other items. Medications such as antibiotic creams and histamines. Formaldehyde, which is a preservative disinfectant used in clothing as well. Personal care items such as deodorants, body washes, hair dyes, cosmetics, and nail polish. Plants such as poison ivy and mango, which contain a highly allergic substance called ursinol. Airborne substances such as pollen and spray insecticides. Products that cause a reaction when you are in the sun are known to cause photoallergic contact dermatitis. Children develop the condition from usual offenders and also from exposure to contact with diapers, baby wipes, sunscreens. Contact dermatitis. Airborne contact dermatitis is characterized by skin inflammation that is even and is primarily located on the face, around the eyes and neck. It may be present even on the hands and even on cloth cover areas. This is majorly caused by environmental dust or any other chemical compound in the air. The importance of airborne contact dermatitis is that it needs to be distinguished from photosensitivity, which also occurs in the same parts of the body and feature the same localization. Systemic contact dermatitis. Systemic contact dermatitis allergic may be present as generalized dermatitis or as an exanthema in the intertriginous and flexural areas. Flares can develop in the previous contact dermatitis or in positive patch test sites, which causes systemic exposure to a non-contact sensitizer. The physiology of systemic contact dermatitis is very similar to allergic contact dermatitis, with the initiation of an inflammatory response due to allergen-specific T lymphocyte activation. The most common causes of systemic contact dermatitis include metals such as nickel, gold, and certain medication which include antibacterials, corticosteroids, plants, and herbal products.